Are you ready to enhance your fitness journey? Meet the Fitbit Charge 6 and Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. This dynamic duo is designed to help you achieve your health goals in style. The Fitbit Charge 6 allows you to track essential metrics. Monitor everything from calories burned to heart rate in real time. With over 40 exercise modes and built-in GPS, staying active has never been easier. Now, pair that with the Bluetooth-enabled Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. These lightweight and comfortable earbuds stay secure even during intense workouts. The twist-to-adjust stabilizer ensures a perfect fit. The Pixel Buds Pro 2 offers up to 30 hours of listening time. They come with wireless charging and are IPX4 water-resistant, perfect for those sweaty sessions. Plus, the Tensor A1 chip provides premium sound quality. However, keep in mind that the Fitbit and Pixel Buds cannot connect to each other. But, they are compatible with both iOS and Android devices, keeping you connected. Exciting news! You can grab this bundle at a limited time offer. The list price is $159.95, but you can get it now for just $119.95, a 25% discount. Over 9,000 units have been sold in the past month with 8,640 global ratings. Enjoy fast delivery across all 50 U.S. states. Order today, and your order will reach you quickly, no matter where you live. To explore more, check out the product link in the description below. If you purchase through these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support inspires us to keep bringing you the best reviews and deals every week. Thank you for being with us.